Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can add files, like for example PDF documents or instructions for team members, to your tasks and lists or to-do lists on ClickUp. So let us get started right away. So head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left. And let's say for example you would like to add, let's say, a PDF document like instructions or educational content for your team members and co-workers to help them work more efficiently on your projects. This is how you can do it, guys. Simply head over to your workspace and select a task, like for example from the personal list or from a to-do list. Left click on the given task to access its customization or setup. And basically, guys, you will see that section here at the bottom of the given task, attachments. So you may use, for instance, this button to upload the given file from your device, locate it on your device and upload it, or simply you may drop it by drag and dropping it here, and that should do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.